Hello everyone and welcome to Drivenmad.
We thought we would do a very small series on my Mini.
Yes.
There's not much you can do to an electric Mini, but as I now want to be him, I've gone for the, even though I did chastise
He's had to apologise to me many a time because when I bought a Blackout trim kit for my bath, he said, oh, they're going to look rubbish. They're going to be a little naff and horrible. Look what he's bought for his car. So we are doing these.
I can caveat that with the trims that are actually on my Mini, which we'll show you in a moment, excuse me, they've obviously been taken off for some reason or another. They've obviously had a little scratch or a spray, but most of these clips have been snapped off, so they're going to fall off anyway. So I've decided to go black.
Yes.
We've got rears, fronts, and this video is putting these on and the grille one, which looks to be the tricky one, but we will see. Here at the front, as you can see here, the light covers actually stay in the bonnet, and that is how it is. We haven't even started loosening them yet.
No, we're dead lucky that hasn't fallen off.
That is how it is. So that's how it's come from the BMW dealer after their 550 million point check on a used vehicle. Aren't they just brilliant?
Yep, class.
Let's crack on.
So the clips now, it turns out, there's a little bit here on the outer edges of them, which you just push in like that. And they sort of just pop off. There we go. So there we are. Right, so this clip here you can see, this is the inside of the light, and this little tab here I was just pushing with the pry tool like that, and just pulling up on the trim whilst pushing that, and it went around each one until it popped off. Okay, so once you take off the trim, you get your new piece. Now our new one's got these clips in, which is great, and I don't know if you can see that on camera, but there's an L there for the left, and that goes at the bottom. So this is left side, and that will go at the bottom, so like that. So if you look and pinch, they just pop in. So there's one there.
I think that's in.
Yeah, it is. There we go. So the Blackout trims are in.
Well, it looks very different.
It does.
Full shut.
May as well. Just have a look. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Nice, makes the lights look a lot smaller.
Yeah, I like that.
I like that too. So let's move around to the rears.
One did and one didn't. I think it's the first, if you can get the
that's easy.
Oh yeah, yeah, you're right. Even I've managed that.
Yeah. Okay, so a little pry tool in there, and
I think it's definitely top first though, isn't it?
There we go. Yeah, that just popped off.
You're much braver than me, even though I don't want to keep it.
There we go.
How did you get that off so quick? Is it that I'm just panicking?
Maybe.
Right. Not really a brute force and ignorance person.
Right. Okay, there we go. So, on this one it was trial and error, but it seemed to go on from the outside of the car in and sort of hooked over the little clips first and then pushed in. So these little hooks here, sort of had to, I hooked this side on first, hooked it on and then folded it in. So I didn't put this side on.
What, like that?
So I put this side, see, hooked the hooks sort of in, so this side's in, and then worked my way to the inside of the car. So there's one at the top there.
Well, he's on.
He's not there.
He's not.
No. So it's a good solid push in. Nice.
And we're on.
It's just that one, which I had a problem with there. Nice. Oh yeah.
Oh, they make the lights look a lot smaller.
Yeah, it makes the car look a bit more aggressive as well.
I like it.
Actually. Right, now for the main event. We are going to try and take off this chrome piece of the grille. Now, we have seen a couple of people do it on YouTube, obviously, as you do. We'd watched videos before. Some people take the bumper off, some people take everything off, but it seems to be that it does just pop off.
Well, we've seen a few take this piece off, and then it just wobbles around, and they seem to have more trouble, and then one of them was unhappy with what he'd done. But
yeah. So we're going to try and take it off and leave in the car exactly as it is. The new one just pops in, so hopefully this one should just pop off.
We'll see.
So I think we'll go around with a couple of our little...
Where was the first clips?
There's two big clips there. It's not very strong.
No. Well, that bit's off. Not much left.
No. The original bit. Now we've still got a little bit left on, a bit less than this, and it just will not come off nicely. That these push in at the bottom, and there's no way of pushing the tabs down. So without breaking it or ripping a bit of the bumper off at the front. So we're going to run a Dremel all the way down here. So there we are. We drilled butchered it off, hacked it off. God. It's a proper tough bit, that, isn't it?
Yeah, but I mean, if you're going to do this, get a power tool out. That's what I say.
Get a tool operating a power tool.
I should have really gone for the angle grinder. I feel a bit embarrassed.
Yeah, I mean that's not meaty enough.
I'm embarrassed. I went for something that small. Please don't hold that against me.
That way up. There we are. So I think we'll try and get the bottom in.
And are we just saying this is a beat it into place?
Yeah. Ooh.
First breakage.
Yeah, I think it's a push, not a smack.
I need to push down. That's it.
Ah, hey, cool.
I've redeemed myself.
Yeah.
Just.
Yeah, nice. Oh, that looks good.
Oh, that looks better.
That looks good, everybody.
Time for a bonnet shut.
Time for a bonnet close.
Got away with that?
Yeah, right, everything's on.
Ooh!
Ooh-hoo. So that sums it up. We've finished the Blackout trim kit. It looks fantastic on the Mini. I feel like this makes the lights look 10 times better as they're pretty big and the chrome made them look even bigger. So the black makes it look sleek and a bit more aggressive. So stay tuned for next week's video where we do some plasti dipping on the Mini. Please like, comment and subscribe.
For